Hello everyone. About a month ago I made some little, I don't know what you call them, pouring accessories. I made this one here. It's got 3 cups inside, if you can see that. And I made this little thing. Just 2 cups together. Now, I didn't invent this kind of stuff at all. I just saw other people making them and using them and thought they would be fun. So yeah, I thought I'd give it a go. And I've had some people ask me how I made them, so I just thought I'd do a little video up. I've never made a video before, so we'll see how we go. Yeah, pretty much you can make them out of any kind of containers you have lying around. As you can see, that's, yes, can you see that? That's a ricotta container. But you can make them out of butter containers. We have some little small cups here. Some yogurt containers. Anything you can find, really. You can make this kind of stuff. So I thought I would make just a little double cup one for you, and then a bigger one of this, because I'm going to actually pour on a bigger canvas, hopefully today. Now, just to show you, with this system, I don't know what you want to call it, a double cup or whatever, I'll show you some of the stuff that I've poured with it. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. There's some browns in there. And then there's this one, which I really like. Blues. And this one. I was going to make a clock out of this, but I really like it how it is, so I think I'm just going to varnish it and keep it like that. So I'm really pleased with it. It was lots of fun to make. So I thought first of all I'd just make one with 2 little cups inside, and you can do it any way you like. You could maybe have that size. You could get these little cups and you could put them inside like that. However you want, really, it doesn't really matter. And I just really use double-sided tape to secure them in. Ideally, you could probably use a hot glue gun. That will probably make it more permanent. And I do have one somewhere, but I've just decided to use double-sided tape because I've been happy with the results I'm getting, so I don't really see the need to use anything else. I did try, what did I try? I did try a glue that didn't really work for me. It was just a cheap glue that I bought from the discount store, so maybe if you're going to use a glue, go with the hot glue gun, or your double-sided tape. And I can't remember where I bought this, but I do know you can get it from all sorts of craft shops, hardware shops, wherever. And as you know, double-sided tape has 2 sides of the sticky. So let's go. So I'll just make it with these 2 cups. That's just a yogurt container, and that's just a little cup that I got from a discount store, I think. And I'm just going to pop it in like that. So it's really easy. Just get your double-sided tape. And we're going to stick it to the bottom like that. So all I do is stick that side on like that, and then I'll just cut around it with my scissors. And then you just peel off the other side. And then you just find where you want to put it and line it up. And push down hard. And there you go. Easy. And see, that's not going to come out. Fairly sturdy. And that's done. Now with this little one, I actually want to make a bigger one like I said before. So I'm going to use these cups. Now these are actually biodegradable cups that I bought online. If I work out how to, I'll put the link to the website down the bottom in the description if you like. I just like the idea of using them because they're biodegradable. So I want to have them side by side like that. And I have them like that so that they stand up. If you stick them like that, they're not likely to be as stable. So I'll show you. So again, double-sided tape. And I'll just cut that in half. And just stick. I just find it easier to stick it on the cups first. And peel that off. If it wants to come off. Now I just use stirring sticks. These are what I use to stir my paints. And again, I've just got these from discounty stores, or you can get them from art and craft stores, or I think even places like Bunnings and hardware stores sell them. They're fairly cheap as well. And all I'll do is line them up. Press the stick on there, and you want to make sure they're close together there, and hold your stick down like that and press it down, and there you go. Now I'll put one this side as well for some stability. Stirring stick, hold them together, and there we go. And that's pretty sturdy, it's not going to move. And you could put maybe another stick like that, or like that for a bit more stability, whatever you wanted to do. I might put another one here. it in. Just push it in, make sure it's really bonded. There you go. It might not be the prettiest looking thing, but it does the job. And I'm really pleased with the results I get. So that's awesome. Now I think you should just have a bit of fun with whatever you have lying around the house, really. I thought I'd make another little one here. And these are just bottle caps. Just off, I think they're water bottles, I'm not quite sure actually. They're just some bottle caps. And I've got a few of them here. And I thought I would just maybe just 4, stick them on the stick like that for a bit of fun, just to see what happens. So all I'll do again, use my double-sided tape. Turn them over. And just cut it into quarters, because I've got 4 little caps here. I'm actually filming this outside, and I think you can probably hear all the cars going past and all the birds in my backyard. They're all chirping and talking to each other. So see how I've just got that on the bottom there, and I'll just, if I can get it to peel off. There we go. There we go. Got my stick. Just work out roughly where to put them. Out there. So I'll just get it in the middle. Push him down. There we go. Can you see that little guy there? So just put your little paints in. Pour. There you go. I really have fun making these type of things. I think it's a lot of fun and something a bit different in your pours. And as I said, I've seen a lot of people use these different types of things. And they get some beautiful results. So if you want to have a look, maybe just Google or go onto YouTube and have a look and see what you can find. But there's a lot of people that use this type of stuff, and it's just a lot of fun. So there you go. I hope that was helpful to the people that were wanting to know. I guess if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments and I'll try to answer them if I can. But yeah, I'm going to go and clean up this mess here and do some pouring and see how I go. So take care. Bye bye.